Hey, my Lee fam. So this is the new XIZON Smart Ring. I have been waiting to try this out. It tracks your health, your sleep, your steps, your workouts, all from one ring. This is perfect for people who don't like to wear bulky watches. So I am going to go ahead and get this all set up, and we are going to go to the gym and test it out. This ring, it is going to track my heart rate, my calories burned, my activity levels, and it keeps me on top of my goals without distracting me. And the best part, it's cute, it's lightweight, and it doesn't get in the way of my working out. I can check all my stats right on my phone and actually see my progress. So if you are into wellness and want something sleek, this might be the new favorite accessory. Check it out on XIZON. Link below.